Make your own cutting disc from a used bottle cap with this simple method. First, hammer the bottle cap until it becomes a thin, flat disc. Then, drill a hole in the center so it can be mounted on a bolt. Insert the disc onto the bolt and secure it tightly with a nut to keep it stable. Once it's properly attached, mount it onto a drill as a cutting blade. This DIY cutter is sharp and can easily cut through pipes and other materials, just like a real cutting disc. Want to install a nail, but the head sticks out like this? Try this trick. Drill a small hole where the nail will go, then hammer it in as usual. Use another nail to sink it deeper. Fill the hole with glue. Insert a dowel of the same size, cut, and sand it down. Now the nail is completely hidden. Don't have a larger drill bit? No worries, you can use nails as an alternative. First, cut off the nail heads until they are flat. Then bundle several nails together using cable ties to keep them strong and stable. After that, attach the nails to the drill as usual. Now they can function like a regular drill bit and are ready to use. Need to install a bolt in wood? You only need this. The T-nut comes with built-in threads, making installation easy. Just drill a hole, place the T-nut on the back, insert the bolt from the front, and tighten it. The nut will secure itself automatically. Don't throw away your old toothbrush. Cut off all the bristles until it's clean. Then drill a hole at one end. Heat the plastic with a lighter and bend it into shape. Attach the toothbrush to a piece of wood using a screw. Now you have a handy hook for hanging multiple items. Lost the knob on your lamp stand? Don't worry, make one yourself. First, cut a wooden circle and divide it into 3 parts like this. Use a hole saw to shape it into a proper knob. Then, attach a bolt and nut that match the size of the lampstand's bolt. Paint it for a more polished look. Once installed, the knob will look just like the original. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out other videos for more useful tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you won't miss any new updates. Keep supporting this channel and see you in the next video.
Yeah.